Good morning, teacher and my dear friends. Today I will talk about my hometown. I am originally from India, Maharashtra in Pune. Pune is the second most popular city in Maharashtra. Pune has a population over the 7.4 millions. Pune is no Oxford of the East. Pune established in 17th century. The temperature is a Pune 15 to 14 degree. Uh, it is a capital of Maharashtra. There are the many historical places. Most of the famous is Shaniar Vada. Vada means fort. Shaniar Vada was built in 1732 by Peshwa Bajirao. Shaniarwada has a 5 gates. Main gate's name is Delhi. Another gate name is Mastani Gate, Ganesh Gate, Narayan Gate, and Windows Gate. There are inside the 16 petals, lotus shape with the fountain, and there are also lights and sound every evening. Uh, the second is the Raja Kelkar Museum. This built by 1920 by Dr. Dinkar. He dedicated his son Raja. Their storage building houses various capture backing into dating the back in 14th century. Ornaments made by gold and silver. Inside instrument, war weapons and whistle. It it a 15,000 collection in this museum. Lal Mahal, the famous of the Pune Marathi king Shivaji Maharaj. His father made this Lal Mahal. Shivaji Maharaj childhood uh, there in Lal Mahal. Language. India is a dominating the Pune city language is the Marathi, but people do speak Hindi and English as well because there are many students, university and in the state. Uh, India Hindu culture in the domestic city. There are the many various culture and different religion. But most of the famous in the Hindu culture, the women wearing the sari and women wearing the jabba kurtas. India, Pune is a famous food is the sabudana vada is also called sago vada. Most of the people to have when fasting the eat this food. Second is a vada pav. The ingredient ginger, garlic, smashed potato, put in the patty and deep fry, and after put in the bread middle side and serve the spicy chutney and chili. And third is the misal pav. This is a very spicy food, and this is the snacks item. In ingredient, the green peas, sprout, chickpeas, and chili powder gravy. Gravy, and serve is the farsan and onion. My next is the festival. India is a more people most of the celebrate the festival. Celebrate the festival. Most famous is the Diwali. Diwali known as the Deepavali. Uh, but the Diwali before Diwali come before every people clean the house, decorate the house with candle, lantern, and lightings, and women draw the rangoli front of the door. And these days every people wearing the sari, traditional clothes. People exchange a gift for friends and relatives. And night time blast the crackers at the night time. The famous personality, the Mahatma Gandhi, most famous personality in Pune. This call is the father of the native and Indian currency. Put in the this personality's picture. The Abdul Kalam is the aerobic scientist and 11th number of presidents in India. Lata Mangeshkar is a famous singer is a Pune. This is a background singer. Over the 1,000 sing a song in Hindi movie. Famous Bagh. Sarasbagh is a Sarasbagh was built uh, 18th century by Peshwa. Inside is the one Ganesh temple. This called as a Talyasa Ganpati, and this is also picnic spot. Pule Deshpande Udyan, the Marathi writer Deshpande, he dedicated this garden. Inside the lots of canals, water, and koya fish. This garden inspired the 300 old Japanese garden, Okayama Japanese garden. Season Mall is inside the over the 100 in national international brand, 25,000 square foot counter and 19,000 square feet the supermarket. Amonora Mall received the Horticulture Award. These are 450 acre land spread. The national things, this is the national flag is India, this is Tiranga, the national flower is lotus, this is the unique art and the national flower the 1915. This is a mango, national fruit is mango, national bird is peacock, and national game is hockey, and national animal is tiger. Thank you for listening and watching my presentation. Any question, please ask me.
Thank you, Deepa.
Yeah, unshare.
Thank you.
Okay, question.
Thank you, Deepa.
Thank you, Deepa. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, let me see first other people, Rula, before I call you. The same people are asking. Okay, Adil.
Can I
Yeah.
Adil, question. You have no sound, my dear.
Adil.
Hi Deepa.
Hi.
First of all, it is very good presentation. I really enjoyed it to listen it, and I have a question for you about the Deepavali. Why
Yeah.
why the Indian people like they celebrate the Deepavali? What's behind the scene? What is the story
Reason.
for the Deepavali?
What's the meaning? What is the significance?
Yeah. This is this is the god Hindu god Ram. She go
Yes.
to the Sri Lanka and put in the white Sita in India. That is the that time first celebrates in the Diwali. That's reason.
Okay.
You know what? Ram, Sita.
What month do you celebrate Diwali?
Last of October and early November.
Okay.
Depend on the
Because it's a little bit, your Diwali is related, a little bit, they're related to Vietnam. Remember Tan Le? Like, Chong Tu, Chong Tu.
Yes. Yes.
Because Chong
Trung
Tu,
thu.
the Vietnamese celebration, also the same month, October, November, they celebrate lights.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. And it's a lantern festival. So, if you think of the world, we are all interconnected. Yeah, you know what I mean? So beautiful. Okay, next question.
Okay.
Me?
One second.
Hello.
I'm not finished yet. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Adil,
Okay.
Adil, just one
No,
question.
Just what?
not a question. That's not a question.
Okay.
Okay, Deepa, you know you're the first one who gave the right answer because I asked to so many people the same question, why you celebrate the Deepavali, but they don't know about the history for the why. Even then, I know that the answer, so that's why I asked you what's the story for the Deepavali, right? So you're the right person.
She
You're
was
good.
ready.
Thank you. Thanks for giving the answer. Yeah, I thought it's Deepavali. It's your name, Deepavali.
Juan,
Pinche,
I know this.
Oh,
pinche.
Okay, no, Rula Tanle first because Tanle she has not asked a question. Okay, Tanle.
yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
Deepa,
Adil, continue, finish.
No, I'm done. That's it.
Deepa,
do
Deepa
do
said more
you want to
questions.
continue?
You want to listen to me more?
Wow. All right.
Okay,
You want to listen to me more?
about it.
Yeah, sure.
Please control yourself, please.
Why you are
Okay,
jealous
now
one?
my turn, please.
Okay, kindly.
Deepa,
Let Tanle ask a question, please. Okay.
can
Well,
you tell me? Can you tell me why your country name is Pune? What it mean? What is
Pune,
meaning?
Pune.
Yeah.
Yeah. Long, the confluence two liver, Mula and Mutha, as called as a Punya. Since
Punya?
sense call is Puna. Punya to Pune.
oh, it's about the river,
Yeah, two liver. That name is Mula and Mutha.
Mula and
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. Mula Mutha.
yeah. I like that.
Oh.
I like that you know the history of your hometown. You know,
Yeah.
it's very, very important. You know, like me, I know the history of my hometown. Not perfectly, but I know the basic, right? It's
Yeah.
important that you know because you have the responsibility to explain it to your children in the future. That's how you can teach them love of your country and love of your culture.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Thank you
Okay,
for asking the question, Tanle.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Lord is first, and then Rula. Okay.
Okay.
Lourdes, you have a question or no?
Ah, okay, yeah. I am the still ruler. That's why I haven't said anything.
No, because
Um,
the hand is up.
Okay, Deepa,
Yes.
thank you so much for your presentation. It was very nice.
Thank you.
What is the place that you miss of your hometown the most? The place you miss.
Miss.
Yeah.
Yes.
In Pune, which place do you miss the most?
Many places.
Now, maybe Deepa will say, it's not a place, it's someone. Gali, I remember this. Okay, Deepa, sorry. Okay, go ahead, Deepa.
I like the historical place. So maybe in my city, many historical place, but I most like the, Shivaji Maharaj. This is Pune is a Maratha city. So the Maratha Empire horticultural places, I very miss them.
Thank you.
Lourdes, your question is excellent. Very, very good question. You know, that's a very, very good question. Like, which part of the city, which part of the city do you miss the most? Beautiful
Okay.
question. I want you to ask this question when I present about my hometown.
I want that question too.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Oh, remember when Lourdes presents, she wants this question. Okay. Okay, what do you want? Okay, maybe if I ask Adil, what do you miss most about Mississauga or being in Andrew's class? I know the answer of Adil, but I don't want to tell you.
Oh,
Lula, go.
Hi, Diba. I like your style when you making the presentation because you are look so pleased when you spoke to your country. And now let me ask you about the education in your hometown. It's free and the university, especially the university.
Yeah. University. In my country, every expense is okay, but education expense is very high.
Oh.
Yeah.
The elementary and the middle or
Play daycare to university, all pay money, no free of cost.
no free?
Oh my
Oh.
God.
And
Elementary
you
school,
know, daycare one.
elementary school and high school, you have to pay money?
Yes.
Yes.
1 year pay $1,000.
One year,
Oh,
1 month, 1 month,
oh
1
my
month.
It's very expensive.
Yeah.
It's very expensive, yeah.
No, but
And
this is not.
in Pakistan, in 1 month for 1,000,
Baller.
500 or 1,000. It's a
Really?
different type of schools. Yeah.
Yes. Pakistan, India, most of the same.
Yes.
Stanley, in Vietnam, your elementary and high school, they are free, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because in the Philippines, elementary and high school, they are also free. You only pay when you go to university or college.
Yes.
Very expensive.
Andrew, excuse me.
Yes,
Do you know in Iraq it's every education is free to the and the university is free in Iraq?
Yeah, like
like
Syria.
in many Muslim countries, I'm not saying all, the university is free.
No, in Jordan it's not free.
What about in Syria?
It's free.
Free, free too.
Yeah. The Syria and Iraq is the same.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Diba, thank you for your answer, and I am
Clap
very
for
pleasure.
Deepa, everybody.
Thank you.
Deepa, beautiful.
You deserve.
picture, Deepa.
Thank you.
Like during your presentation, I could not move the people, because I don't want to block your pictures. Yeah, you know what I mean?